Good morning students. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to understand about the new topic of the maths. Before I start the topic, I would like to ask some questions. Children, whenever you are sitting at your home, at the times in your drawing room, have you seen some different objects? Yes? Yes, you can see TV, LCD, your mobile phone, newspaper, posters, so many things, right? Achha, whenever you are coming in the school, at the times, have you observed which things you are observed in the class? Blackboard, you can see duster, eraser, you have notebooks, textbooks, on your white notice board you can see some notice, different type of pictures, ma'am already stick that, right? Different posters, so many things you have observed, right? Sometimes you preparing also some things, right? Okay, 15th August May you have prepared this type of national flag, right? When Uttarayan is coming, you are preparing small type of these kites, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Achha, whenever Ganesh Chaturthi is coming, you also prepared this type of Ganesha's posters, isn't it? Okay. Do you know what is it? It's a scrapbook. Yes. Are you using the scrapbook for sticking your pictures? Yes. Achha, whenever you are coming in the class and when your birthday is there, your teachers give you birthday cards also. Okay. This type of different things you prepared also, isn't it? When your activity period will be there, you are preparing different type of things. Have you prepared this? Santa Claus is coming at the times you are preparing Christmas card? Yes. Okay. When the Diwali is coming, Diwali, at the times you are preparing greeting cards. Your teachers give you the task to prepare the birthday cards, right? You are preparing lots of things. You know different things, but children, you don't know the shapes of these particular things, right? You prepared, you observed so many things, but you don't know what is it, the name of the shapes. So children, let's introduce the new topic. Today we are going to understand about the new topic, shapes, isn't it? Let's start to know about the shapes. First of all, I would like to inform you that there are two types of shapes. First is solid shapes and second one is a plane shapes. Plane shapes are the shapes which you can draw, you can color it, but you cannot hold in your hands. Whereas solid shapes you can hold in your hands, you can pick up in your hands. There's a big difference between the solid shapes and this plane shapes. First of all, today we will understand about the plane shapes. Okay children, let's start. See children, it's the shape of square. You can see the shape of square, right? The four sides are there. It is called side. This one, this and this. All are four sides and four corners. And one important thing is that in square all the sides are equal. Okay, let's see on the blackboard. Square, it is called the side. This one and this one. All are the sides. And there is a corner. Corner is called the vertex. Corner is called the vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X, vertex, and the plurals of the vertex is vertices, V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S. The spelling of square is S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. It's a vertex, this one, this and this. Okay, understand about the sort this shape of the square, isn't it? Okay. Now children, it is the shape is this one. This one shape is called the rectangle. You can see it is same whatever this shape size we can say is similar like that the square, but the difference is the opposite sides are equal. Here you can see in square all the sides are equal. In rectangle the opposite sides are equal. You can see this sides are equal, this side and this side are equal, and the corners of the rectangle is called the vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices, right? The spelling of rectangle is RECTANGLE. Understand? Do you understand about the difference between the square and rectangle? Square has all the four shapes, all the four sides are similar. In rectangle, the opposite sides are similar. Okay, let's start. Have you seen these shapes? Yes. Everybody is eating the bingo angles, right? Sometimes you are eating pizzas of the shapes, right? Its name is triangle. Its name is triangle. The spelling is TRIANGLE. Triangle. Let's understand about the triangle. Triangle has three sides. How many sides are there? Here the three sides. 1, 2 and 3. Three sides are there and three vertex. The corner is called vertex, isn't it? Okay. You do understand about the triangle? We will understand about the next. This one shape have you seen? Yes. Okay. How many children are eating eggs? It's full of vitamins, right? The shape of eggs look like oval. The spellings of oval is OVAL. Oval shape. Oval shape. Just if you observe oval shape is here. You can see there is no sides, no vertex, no corners. Nothing is there. Only only the surface is vertical. Okay, and similar like that. The shape of circle, CIRCLE. The name of this shape is circle. Whenever you are small kids, right, you don't know how to write. At the times you are preparing so many circles in your notebook, right? In maths also, whenever you are doing the additions, 2 plus 2, 4. At the times also you are preparing zeros. So zero is a one type of shape. It's called circle. You can find out that here also no sides, no vertices. Okay, simply it's a vertical surface is there. Understand everyone? Do you understand all the shapes of plane? Okay children. Now I hope so all the children will be understand about the plane shapes. Right? What today we understand? We have understand about the solid shapes, so plane shapes, the square, then rectangle, then triangle, oval shapes and circle shape. Okay children, I hope so you enjoy the video. In next periods we will be understand more about the solid shapes. Thank you. Bye children.